Okay. You can start
1
your
minute.
presentation.
So now it is visible.
Yes.
My topic is Ruby laser. It is the first laser built in the world, and its acting medium is solid state. It was first operated in 1960s and was made by T. Myman. And let's talk about its characteristic. It is solid state laser. It has three-layer laser system, and op- and optical pumping is used to achieve population immersion. It works on the pulse mode, in which output is in the form of pulses, and output is output is not continuous. Also, it is a big disadvantage of it. Now let's talk about the construction of Ruby laser. The important component of the Ruby laser are Ruby rod, resonator cavity, optical pumping system, and cooling chamber. First, Ruby rod. It is made up of Al2O3 plus Cr2O3, and we have to mix it is in such a way that 0.05% such way 0.05% al- aluminum ion will be replaced by the chromium ion. So so the lasing action can be produced. The length of the ruby rod is approximately 5 centimeter, and the diameter is approximately 0.5 centimeter. Second, resonator cavity. It is made up of two mirror at first end. The mirror should be completely silvered mirror which be completely reflecting, and in front mirror there will be partially silver, that is 90% reflecting and 10% transmitting, from which the laser output will come. Optical pumping system. Now the employing optical pumping, we use genome flash lamp, which we bound around ruby rod in the helical shape. That is this helical shape. uh, we connect the flash lamp to the battery with capacitor and resistor. When we on the power supply, the genome lamp emitted flashlight, so that the atom in the acting medium, that is ruby rod, will go from ground state to excited state. Means at the excited state, the number of atom will be greater than the ground state. Genome and a genome flash lamp within millisecond produce thousands of joules of energy emitted, so that we can achieve population inversion. Um, and they that's why ruby rod get heated, and and maybe it can collapse. For that, we have to use cooling arrangement. We have to put ruby rod and flash lamp in the chamber. In chamber, we have to put an outlet pipe and inlet pipe, so that the cold water can go in and out into the chamber, so that the heat generated so that the heat generated in the ruby rod can be absorbed, and so that it cool, it work good. Sir, I am audible.
Yes, yes.
Now the principle and working. When we on power supplies, so the capacitor attached to power supply will start to discharge, due to which genome lamp will emit 1000 joule of energy, will absorb by the chromium ion. They will now from move from ground state to excited state. If the atom absorb the light of 0.85 nanometer, then the component will go in the green band, that is uh, E2, and other atom which will absorb 0.42 nanometer component from the genome lamp, they will go in the blue band, that is E3. They are now in excited state, and the lifetime of the excited state is 10 to the power minus 8 second. Now the atom will jump from metas now the atom will jump at metastable level. The time span is 10 to the power minus 3 second. Here the transmission is non radioactive. There will be two levels that reach E3 blue band. Sorry, I not giving here blue and a green band. E3 blue band with the first level and green band be the second level, means lower level. Now in metastable level, at this level, chromium ion will start to gather, and the member will start to increase population inversion ratio. When chromium ion will come from metastable state to ground state, there will be doublet uh, doublet. One is of 694.3 nanometer, and other is 692.3 nanometer. Here photon will be emitted, which will travel through the mirror and will stimulate more chromium ion to come from upper level to a lower level. That means from excited state to ground state. There will be more photons of same wavelength, which reinforcement will produce laser beam of red color. Thank you very much.
Good. Go to the first slide. Okay. I invite comments on this slide. Go ahead and make a comment. जिन्होंने अभी तक प्रेजेंटेशन दिया है वो भी बोल सकते हैं, जिन्होंने नहीं दिया वो भी बोल सकते हैं, डजंट मैटर. बताइए. What Abhishek can do better for this PowerPoint slide?
Sir, I think I had to add some pictures.
Okay. No, but I want comments from other people, not from you. You are understanding, okay. But how about others? Should I take the name? Roll number 5? नहीं है. 7? नहीं है. 9? Anurag. Anurag Vatare, are you there? Yes, Shraddha, go ahead.
Sir, my slide is visible.
Sir,
Yes, it is visible.
sir, I have a question
Yeah.
to Abhishek.
Yeah, go ahead.
Abhishek, could you please return to your first slide?
Yes.
Yeah. I think it is visible now. Yeah.
Yes, sir. White has the characteristic property that it is a solid state laser.
Because ruby rod is in solid state.
Good. Any other question? Anurag, probably you have not understood what I said. I just want the comment on this presentation. I don't want your presentation. Yeah. Somebody want to say something?
सर टेक्स्ट थोड़ा कम हो सकता था फर्स्ट स्लाइड
कैसे?
में.
कैसे? Is that Mrudula?
यस सर.
Okay. कैसे कम करोगे बताओ? That is a skill. बताना तो है, लेकिन मतलब ये भी नहीं कि पूरा ही बता दिया. वो बोलते हैं ना कि there should be some kind of वर्ड भूल गया. If somebody is typing something, yes, Shubhankar.
Sir, I think where the line where he mentioned that the first operated in 1960 and was made by the name of the scientist. So
Hmm.
he can add the picture of the scientist along with the laser he made. So it can be
Yes,
one of the points.
very good. So Abhishek, you can add Theodore Maimon's picture and just write his name and 1960. That is enough. And you can orally
Yes.
tell that it was first operated. You don't need to write everything. Remember, you are writing means it is a kind of notes. You are not giving notes. Okay. Anything else? कैसे और इसको कैसे कम करोगे और कैसे अट्रैक्टिव बनाओगे? The advertisement and presentation both have the same characteristics. Same. कोई फर्क नहीं है. एडवर्टाइज में आपने देखा है कि ऐसे बहुत सारा लिखा हुआ आता है? कोई है ऐसे एडवर्टाइज? देखिए आज तक. टेक्स्ट 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 आ गया पूरा और आप उसको पढ़ रहे हैं या उसके पीछे से वो आवाज आ रही है कोई ऐसे एडवर्टाइज? नॉट अ सिंगल. नॉट अ सिंगल. उसमें की पॉइंट क्या है? की पॉइंट कैसे निकालेंगे? लेट अस टेक फर्स्ट लाइन. फर्स्ट लेजर बिल्ड इन द वर्ल्ड. इसको रिड्यूस कैसे करेंगे आप? कितना रिड्यूस कर सकते? गो अहेड, टॉक. दिस इज ओपन डिस्कशन. नहीं? वेदांती?
Sir, while speaking, I mean,
Pardon?
he could have told rather than reading or writing.
Rather than writing, he can tell. But if you want to keep this text somewhere, कि नहीं ये फर्स्ट लेजर बिल्ड इन द वर्ल्ड ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, मुझे लिखना ही है, तो मैं क्या लिखना चाहिए? मुझे कम से कम क्या लिखना चाहिए? ओके. दिशा सेज फर्स्ट लेजर डैश वर्ल्ड. और इसको रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं क्या?
ओनली फर्स्ट लेजर.
ओनली फर्स्ट लेजर. वर्ल्ड में ही रहेगा ना भाई. साइंटिफिक डिस्कवरी जो होती है वो वर्ल्ड में ही कंसिडर होती है. ऐसा तो नहीं कि फर्स्ट टाइम इन इंडिया एंड देन फर्स्ट टाइम इन वर्ल्ड इज डिफरेंट. ओके. इट इज नॉट अ स्पोर्ट्स. हाँ, अनुकूल says world's first laser. World is not needed. First laser is enough. साइंटिफिक डिस्कवरी में इसमें फर्स्ट टाइम कुछ नहीं होता, वो वर्ल्ड में होता है हमेशा. ऐसा है कि ये एक्सरे फर्स्ट टाइम यहाँ पे किसी ने प्रोड्यूस किया, फिर फर्स्ट टाइम इंडिया में किसी ने प्रोड्यूस किया, फिर फर्स्ट टाइम यूएस में प्रोड्यूस किया. नो, एवरीवेयर इट इज फर्स्ट टाइम, ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. तो वर्ल्ड की जरूरत ही नहीं. फर्स्ट लेजर, दैट्स इट.
सर पर थेरीज को कैसे लेंगे सर?
कौन सी थेरीज?
मतलब ये जो न्यूटन की कॉर्पोकुलस थ्योरी थी सर.
हाँ, that is also first time in the world.
पर सर वो तो बाद में बदल गई ना.
नहीं, उसमें क्या है कि जैसे स्पोर्ट्स में होता है ना, तो स्पोर्ट्स इज डिफरेंट. तो यहाँ डिफरेंट कॉम्पिटिशंस, डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल एंड स्टेट लेवल एंड नेशनल लेवल, राइट?
यस.
अदरवाइज यू डोंट नीड इट. बाकी किसी चीज के लिए जरूरत ही नहीं है. तो ऐसा कहेंगे कि एरोप्लेन वाज फर्स्ट टाइम आई मीन इन्वेंटेड in US and then second time it was invented in somewhere say in India. No, it is everywhere. Competition जो है scientific world में it is over the world. तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल स्टेट लेवल है ही नहीं, नेशनल लेवल है ही नहीं, तो वर्ल्ड की जरूरत ही नहीं. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट Okay, Anurag says, no, keep this PowerPoint as it is. I'll discuss in more detail for this, and then I will not tell anything for the next presentation. You have to take out those points. Okay, आपको discuss करना है वो. Anurag says laser is built by Theodore in 1960. Okay, इसको और reduce कर सकते हैं. आप एडवर्टाइज को सोचो दिमाग में, एडवर्टाइज को सोचो. अब ऐसा कभी लिखा हुआ आता है क्या कि हमारा जो सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल कोका कोला है, ठीक है, आई डोंट लाइक इट बट वी कैन टेक द एग्जांपल. तो मैं कोका कोला रोज पीता हूं, ऐसे लिख के आता है क्या? नहीं आता, कभी नहीं देखा मैंने, आज तक नहीं देखा, न्यूज़पेपर में भी नहीं देखा. ये तो आप छोड़ो टीवी पे, न्यूज़पेपर में भी नहीं. First operated in 1960. Mrudula says she has reduced it. First operated in 1960. Okay. Can you reduce more? Dil mange more. When you are saying first laser, obviously it was first operated.
In 1960 by scientist.
That's in भी नहीं चाहिए. मैं तो ये कहता हूँ in भी नहीं चाहिए. Theodore Maiman bracket 1960 खत्म. Very nice suggestion by Disha. Characteristics should be mentioned in flowchart, so it becomes more attractive. So in I think MS PowerPoint there is something called क्या कहते हैं उसे, smart text. Okay.
Sir, but in mobile version, sir, there is many problems, sir.
No, you can go for this Microsoft 365 online, or you can go for Canva. Canva में तो आप जो चाहे वो कर सकते हैं.
सर ऑनलाइन में तो सर और भी प्रॉब्लम होती है सर. पेज रिफ्रेश हो गया तो पूरा उड़ जाता सर.
नहीं कैनवा में ऐसा नहीं होता. हैव यू यूज्ड कैनवा?
नो सर.
कैनवा यूज करो क्या? Why you are for Microsoft only? Go ahead, it's open. Canva is open. I'm not sure open source, but it's open to use, free to use. Solid state है तो उसका रॉड दिखा दो solid state का. It is लिखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. लिखने की जरूरत है? नहीं, जरूरत ही नहीं है. सॉलिड स्टेट लेजर, दैट्स इट, खत्म. 3 लेवल लेजर सिस्टम के बारे में बोल रहे हैं, ये पता ही है हमें. ऑप्टिकल पंपिंग, दैट्स इट. यू डोंट नीड टू राइट यूज टू अचीव. पंपिंग हमेशा पॉपुलेशन इन्वर्शन के लिए ही करते हैं. ये तो ऐसा हो गया कि अभिषेक नार्शिकर इज अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ Bajaj Institute of Technology. He is a student of engineering. Abhishek is student of engineering. Abhishek is a student of first year electrical engineering. तो बार बार ये लिखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, एक लाइन में लिख सकते हैं आप. सो रिड्यूस इट. जितना छोटा होगा ना उतना स्पैन जो है हमारा आई स्पैन. तो आप किसी को भी पूछ लो यहाँ पे, everybody will try to read the text. Everybody will try to read the text. And remember, I am not criticizing Abhishek. I am criticizing every presentation that is done in this way. कल शायद मैंने किसी को, हाँ कल्याणी, मैंने उसको 3 बार भेजा, reduce the text, reduce the text, reduce the text. ठीक है. Last one, it works on pulse mode. Why you need it works on? You don't need it. Pulse mode, that's it. Pulse दिखा दो, एक पल्स दिखा दो. देखो आप ये सोचो कि हाउ पीपल थिंक। ओके, मैं अगर आपको एक वर्ड बोलूं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मदर, आई, माँ, आपके दिमाग में क्या आया? बताओ कोई भी।
Image of child and a mother.
इमेज आई ना, किसी के सामने ऐसे चेहरे चेहरे के सामने, आंखों के सामने MOTHER लिखा हुआ आया क्या?
Okay.
नेवर, नेवर, बिकॉज वी थिंक इन टर्म्स ऑफ इमेजेस। तो images are very important. Don't overdo it, but yes, these are very important. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। मैं इस पे ज्यादा डिस्कस करूंगा नेक्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन पे, आपको ये करना है। हाँ, नाउ दिस इज गुड। लेफ्ट साइड में आपने लिखा, अब कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ रूबी लेजर, यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट रूबी लेजर, सो ऑफ रूबी लेजर इज नॉट नीडेड, कंस्ट्रक्शन दैट्स इट। ठीक है, हाँ, जब आप इसको भेजते हैं कहीं पे, मतलब कंपटीशन के लिए आप भेज रहे, in that case you have to write construction of ruby laser consist of वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह। ठीक है, तो रूबी रॉड, then resonator cavity, optical pumping system, and then cooling chamber, that's it। ये ठीक है, ये this slide is much better, you could have made this image slightly bigger, जितना बड़ा हो उतना अच्छा है। स्टीव जॉब का प्रेजेंटेशन देखा आपने?
किसका सर?
स्टीव जॉब्स। अब ये मत पूछना कि स्टीव जॉब्स कौन है या कौन था।
देख,
देखो उसका प्रेजेंटेशन, when he has inaugurated word सही नहीं है, launch, when he launched the first iPhone, उसका प्रेजेंटेशन देखो आप, यूट्यूब पे अवेलेबल है। यू कैन सी ओनली हार्डली 10 to 15 वर्ड्स ओवर द होल प्रेजेंटेशन। पूरे प्रेजेंटेशन में उसके 10-12 वर्ड्स होंगे सिर्फ, और एक पेज पे एक या दो या ज्यादा से ज्यादा 3 इमेजेस है। तो जितना ज्यादा इमेज, जितना अच्छा इमेज होगा, ज्यादा नहीं, जितना अच्छा इमेज होगा उतना बेटर है। ठीक है, ओके, नेक्स्ट। या दिस इज क्वाइट गुड, दिस इज क्वाइट गुड। प्रिंसिपल एंड वर्किंग्स खत्म। इसके बाद ये आपने बता दिया, एब्सॉर्प्शन लिखा ही है वहां पे, रेडिएशन, लेस ट्रांसमिशन इन फॉर्म ऑफ हीट, वो भी लिखा है, और ये ग्राउंड स्टेट, मेटास्टेबल स्टेट। हाँ, इसमें अगर आप लाइफ टाइम डाल देते तो और अच्छा हो जाता, ये दो केस, दो, दैट इज गुड, ये ऐसे होने चाहिए बस। नेक्स्ट,
हो गई सर।
हो गए। सो यूज मिनिमम टेक्स्ट, मिनिमम। कल भी मैं बता रहा था इसका, क्या कहते हैं इसे, थंब रूल। थंब रूल क्या है? कितना होना चाहिए टेक्स्ट?
मिनिमम।
कितना? मिनिमम मतलब कितना?
खाने में नमक जितना।
नमक रहता है उतना।
क्या क्या?
खाने में नमक रहता है उतना।
एग्जैक्टली, ये याद रखना। ठीक है,
यस।
ओके। तो
तो
खाने में
कैनन ऑफ,
जितना नमक चाहिए उतना ही टेक्स्ट चाहिए हमें इधर। ठीक है, नहीं स्वादानुसार नहीं होता स्वादानुसार मतलब क्या है, 1 किलो सब्जी में आप आधा किलो नमक डालेंगे क्या? सो दैट इज द थंब रूल। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट, हु इज नेक्स्ट? 3 हो गया, 4 हो गया, 5, रोल नंबर 5 है क्या? नहीं है। 6 हो गया, 7 नहीं है, 8,
Yes, sir.
या अनुकुल, गो अहेड।
Yes, sir. So I'll share my screen.
या
So 1 second.
Yeah. अब इसका अनुकूल का जो प्रेजेंटेशन होगा उसमें कल जिन्होंने प्रेजेंटेशन दिया है वो पहले कमेंट करेंगे कि इस प्रेजेंटेशन में और क्या कर सकते हैं, हाउ वी कैन मेक बेटर। तो अभी पॉइंट्स निकालना शुरू कर दो। Presentation is any kind of presentation, oral or PowerPoint, whatever it may be. तो कल जिन्होंने प्रेजेंटेशन दिया वो रेडी रहो।
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Is it visible?
Yes, yes, it is visible. Just make it landscape.
So you can zoom out it. Just
No, I can't do it because I am on desktop.
okay, sir. Maybe other persons can do it.
Those who are on mobile can.
Okay.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anukul Arun Kamble, and today's topic of presentation is Ruby laser. So first we'll see about Ruby laser. So what is Ruby laser? Ruby laser, it is a solid state laser, and it was first fabricated by T.H. Maiman in 1960 using a Ruby crystal as an amplifier and flash lamp as an energy source. Here we can see a picture or a diagram of Ruby laser. We'll see some characteristics about it. So first characteristics is it is a solid state laser. So solid state laser means the active medium used in Ruby laser is in solid state. And the second characteristics is it is a 3-level laser system. Third characteristics is optical pumping is used. It is used for population inversion, and it is the main characteristics is it is in pulse mode. And now we'll go
Anukul,
about construction.
I'm sorry to disturb you,
Hello.
but what
Yes.
is the new thing you are telling? It has been already told by, what was that, Abhishek?
Yes, sir.
What is the new thing that you are telling?
So construction is there further.
See, this diagram is from the book, I suppose, from Dr. Singh's
sir.
books, which is not correct.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
We don't know whether the coolant is going in or not.
Okay, sir.
यहाँ पे तो वो गैप ही नहीं दिख रहा है, तो कूलेंट अंदर कैसे जाएगा? दूसरा, ये जो पावर सप्लाई दिख रहा है वो कहाँ पे कनेक्टेड है एक्चुअली? तीसरा, ये जो रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है, तो दिस काइंड ऑफ रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, नो, लेट इट बी, लेट द डिस्प्ले बी एज इट इज। तो रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर जो दिख रहा है तो रिंग नहीं होती है वो, इट इज अ हेलिकल स्ट्रक्चर, स्प्रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर। तो कहाँ दिख रहा है? ये ऊपर से जो आ रहा है वो ये नीचे कहाँ कनेक्ट हो रहा है? नहीं दिख रहा है, वो तो रिंग दिख रही है।
Okay, sir. So may I change the image?
नो, इमेज चेंज करके क्या करोगे?
Okay, sir.
What my intention is that you should try at least एक छोटा सा भी पोर्शन ले लिया आपने, एक्टिव मीडियम ऑफ रूबी लेजर, बस खत्म। 1 मिनट भी बोले तो भी चलता है, लेकिन देयर शुड बी समथिंग नॉवेल्टी।
ये सर वो फर्दर वो आगे वो छोटा सा वीडियो है उसमें सिमुलेशन है वो वर्किंग का, वो बताने वाला था।
हाँ, वो दिखाओ, दिखाओ वो
डायरेक्टली वो दिखाऊं क्या वर्किंग के साथ? मतलब
हाँ, बिल्कुल 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 डायरेक्ट वीडियो दिखा और वर्किंग बता, कैसे कैसे आप
Okay, sir.
बता रहे हो।
Hello.
या यू आर ऑडिबल।
तो दिख रहा है?
हाँ,
Sir, screen is visible?
yes, screen was visible.
Okay. So this is the original pic of Ruby laser. Here we can see it has a helical structure, and here further, this is a small picture of working as that movement. The helical lamp is flash, it's blown up. Here we can see the original pic of Ruby laser and the scientist. Here we can see it is a small laser, and here it is a small video simulation. Here we can see, so screen is visible.
Yes, yes, it is visible.
Okay. As we know, the Ruby laser is a 3-level system. Here the energy levels are E1, E2, and E3. So when the xenon flash lamp lights up, the energy emitted by the xenon lamp is absorbed by E1. The energy emitted is in thousands of joule in few seconds. So here the sum of the energy is used by the ground state, and other energy is emitted as heat. Here the light green color is emitted by xenon lamp, and when the light is absorbed by the ground state chromium ions, it get excited towards the E2 state, and the other ions get excited toward E3. As the E2 state is more short-lived, here the lifetime is about 10 raised to minus 8 seconds. So the ions here are ions do not remain here for a long period and get transited towards the E2 state. Now the E2 state is a metastable state, and here the lifetime is 3 into 10 raised to minus 3. So here the ions get collected, okay, from E3 and E4 state. Now as E2 state is filled with completely ions, the population inversion is established, where E1 state has less number of ions, population inversion is established, and later photons get transited toward the ground state, and the red laser, beam of laser is observed. Now when the xenon lamp stops for small intervals of time, in this the photon comes down the E1 state. Now when the population inversion is finished or de-established, then xenon lamp again starts, and
population inversion is established again. So this cycle goes on, and we get a beam of a small beam of light in a pulse state. So the pulse state of the laser is caused due to the lamp flash, that the intervals which is taken by the lamp. So in this way, the laser is working, ruby laser. Here we can see that energy level of chromium ions. Yes,
Hello.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Roll number 11, Astha. What is your comment?
Yes, sir, I think he could explain something new as everyone were explaining about its construction and working. Hello, sir.
Astha. This is okay, what you are told, but what is the biggest mistake he made in his presentation while explaining the uh, video? Pallavi, Pallavi 36.
Yes, sir.
What is the biggest mistake he made while explaining the working of ruby laser? Me? Anybody else? Shivam? नहीं, किसी के भी ध्यान में नहीं आया?
So वो E4 state.
नहीं. That's surprising. 23, Khushi.
Sir, he did not show the proper images.
नहीं नहीं, वो ठीक है, वो तो चल जाएगा, वो तो रेडीमेड इमेजेस है, तो या वो वीडियो जो था, दैट इज ओके, उसमें वो कुछ नहीं कर सकता.
Sir, can I?
यस.
Sir, he said that energy level, lifetime of energy E2 is to the power minus 8, but it's wrong, sir.
Yes, very good. This is one of the mistake that he was saying. He was supposed to say the energy level of E3. Sorry, lifetime of E3 should
Yes,
be
sir.
10 to the power minus 8.
Yes, sir. वो
But
E2 की 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 थी, sir.
but that is a minor mistake. I mean, by mistake he said E2. That is okay. One more, which he repeated again and again.
Sir, can I?
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, he said the photon energy is absorbed by the energy levels.
Hmm.
In
Yeah,
between, he said, might be the confusion of my presentation.
very good, very good. और एक बड़ी मिस्टेक है वो, ये तो छोटी छोटी, मतलब ठीक है, एक आध बार ये हो सकता है, वो मेरे प्रेजेंटेशन में भी हो सकता है कि बाय मिस्टेक आई से समथिंग लाइक दैट इज एब्सॉर्ब बाय द एनर्जी लेवल rather than the atoms or electrons. Did I talk about ions in laser? आयंस का कभी संबंध आया क्या?
No, sir.
नेवर नेवर नेवर. Unless you talk about ion laser, for example, argon ion laser. Otherwise, in laser, normally, when you talk about population inversion, when you talk about all these things, the levels, we always talk about either the electron or the atoms. And even I give you the example that if you are talking about, say, ion, or if you are, sorry, atom or electron, both are equivalent. There is not much difference between these two atoms and electrons. When you say atom is excited, of course the electron is excited. Or if electron is de-exciting, the atom is de-exciting. It is equivalent. But never I said about the ion. And Anukul repeatedly said that the ions are going from level 1 to level 2 and level 2 to level 3 or something like that. Okay. No, no, no. Always remember it is not ions. It's always either you talk about electron or you talk about atom. It is one and the same in this case.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
No, it's okay. You should understand this. If you are making mistake, that's okay. You should not repeat the mistake. That's it. Okay. So the creatively he took out some the video from internet. Okay, and he showed it. That is okay. I mean, if you are using some resource, that is okay. There is no problem. Okay. But you should
Okay,
be
sir.
very careful when you are presenting it. So it should not be misunderstood. Okay. Next presentation. Any question? But I am happy that these three people were quite right and they were listening very carefully. It seems that others were not listening carefully. तो आपको उससे कुछ अच्छा भी लेना है और मिस्टेक जो है उसको करेक्ट भी करना है. ठीक है. चलो नेक्स्ट. हु इज नेक्स्ट? 8 के बाद किसका हुआ है? 9 है क्या? अनुराग, your presentation is ready or not? Or you are going to tell us orally? Anurag, are you there? नहीं? Okay. Roll number 10, Ashwin, you have already presented yesterday. 11, Asta.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
So can I share my screen?
Yes, go ahead. And whenever you want to ask question, don't bother about if you want permission or something like that. Don't ask for permission.
Okay, sir. So may I start?
Yeah.
So good morning to one and all. I am Asta Sudhir Navre and I am going to give you some information about the history behind the history behind the invention of ruby laser. So in most simple language, it is a solid state laser that uses a synthetic ruby crystal. It was the first functioning laser made by Sir Myman in 1960 by using the concept of optical maser. Optical maser stands for microwave amplification by stimulated emission of radiation that produces the coherent electromagnetic waves through amplification of stimulated emission. Now the question arises from where the idea of ruby laser came from. So it all started in 1916 when Sir Albert Einstein had an idea of passing a beam of light to an atom to create energy. Then two American scientists, Charles Stone and Arthur Shallow, figured out that how Einstein's theory would work. So in 1958, when the idea of maser came out, by Sir Shallow, the race to build the first working model of laser began. As already the ruby had been used in the maser, so it was the very first choice for everyone as to use ruby as a possible medium. In 1959, while listening to Sir Shallow's speech, Myman got to know that pink ruby, having the lowest energy state, which was too close to the ground state, would require too much pumping energy for laser operation. So, red ruby would be an alternative. But according to Myman's measurement, the lowest energy level to pink ruby could at least be partially depleted by pumping sorry by pumping with a very intense light source. And as Myman had already worked with ruby, so he decided to try it anyway. He kept searching light source that would be so intense to pump the rod, and an elliptical pumping cavity of high reflectivity to direct the energy into rod. While searching, he came to know about the xenon flash tubes, as someone was claiming that the largest would even ignite the steel wool, and using a helical lamp instead of elliptical shape. Myman then constructed his ruby laser. Uh, then it was the first laser to use a solid medium instead of the gases. He used a pink ruby rod which was measuring about 1 centimeter to 1.5 centimeters. And on Monday, May 16th, 1960, he fired the device for the very first time, producing a beam of laser. The ruby did produce a single pulse, but rather delivered a series of pulses. So this was a problem. Then in 1961, Sir Helworth invented a method of Q switching to to produce a single pulse. Now, what is Q switching? It is a technique that allows the production of light pulses with extremely high power, much higher than it would be produced by the same laser if it were operating in a continuous wave. And at last, we are really thankful for Sir Myman's this invention, as lasers are everywhere today in every single field. Like as you can see some of the pictures here on the screen, they are used in medical field, military, and and many others. Thank you.
Okay, you can go to first slide.
Okay, sir.
Okay, comments on this slide. Go ahead, it's open. कुछ भी नहीं. Okay. Your comment about overall presentation.
Sir, I have a comment on overall presentation.
Go ahead.
Sir, she explained in every minute detail of date, day, and the time. Instead of saying the on the perfect date or the perfect time, she can explain it by in a single sentence. And instead of saying you can see, she can say that it is mentioned here. और मतलब दूसरों को ये कहने से कि आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं, इसका मतलब ये कहने के बजाय वो ये कह सकती है कि ये एक शॉर्ट फॉर्म में बता सकती है.
Very good. Quite minute observation, Shraddha. Very nice. You can be a good critic. Okay. Next slide. Any comment? No, go to previous slide. Go to previous slide. Yeah. That is what I was talking regarding Abhishek's presentation. Abhishek, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is what you can do rather than showing so many things text by text. Text is unattractive. कोई नहीं पढ़ता उसको. व्हाट्सएप के मैसेज नहीं पढ़ते आज लोग. पढ़ते हैं क्या? आप लोग पढ़ते हैं क्या? सीरियसली? बहुत सारा एक लंबा मैसेज आया तो पढ़ते हैं क्या?
Yes.
Nobody. Nobody. Accept it. So you have to make it attractive. That is what the advertisement is. Okay? And she has written quite okay. She can reduce it, no problem, but still, I mean, it is okay. Solid state laser that uses synthetic ruby crystal. And from this point, she turned her presentation. Uh, it was like stereotype. सब लोग वही बता रहा है, ये भी वही बता रही है, ठीक है? But then she changed the track. She said that I am going to tell you about history of the ruby laser. What happened before the ruby laser, or why it was made, something like that. So it was interesting. Okay. Any comments? Okay. Next, go to next slide, Asta.
Yes.
Okay. So when she was telling about this slide, or yeah, when she was telling about this slide, the slide was not changed properly. Okay. So when she completed telling about this slide, then the slide was changed. So there was a bit of synchronization problem. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Secondly, what are the information you told after this? How he developed the, why he took the pink laser, pink ruby or the red ruby? What is the difference between these two? Why that was the particular choice? You have discussed very nicely, but along with that, people were concentrating or people were looking for something. Where is the pink ruby, or where is the say red ruby, or where are the energy levels?
Yes, sir.
So you can make it much better. Of course, you are what you can say the transcripts, or not transcripts. क्या कहते हैं उसे? Script. The script was very nice.
Okay, sir. Thank
मतलब I can say कि you have used very good script first. Secondly, you use the proper intonation. तो आपने अपने आवाज का सही से इस्तेमाल किया, ठीक है? But you miss the presentation. You can
Yes.
make it much beautiful.
Okay, sir. I will keep it in my mind.
Yeah. No, you don't keep it in mind. You create the video. You add some more slides. You create the video and share it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
People will
Sure.
appreciate you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any other comments?
So
Yeah.
so last slide का
Go ahead. Asta?
Asta, please.
Yeah.
Okay. So जब वो when she was explaining there, I was searching about where that text she was saying where it is. So after 2-3 minutes, I can synchro. अच्छा, okay. यहाँ पे है वो. Now that started. So slide was little bit late. So that you told about. But here I can see here the invention is everywhere today. So this is just a picture. So I can't see about what is going here in the picture, or here the plus sign is there with a medical kit somewhere, and here the girl is singing. So I want to say that just the picture, write down a mention little small word or smaller sentence. We can write down the picture so we can guess it what is going on in the picture.
Yeah, quite right, Anukul. You can add some small text, like
just a small word. Yeah.
In first picture, it's really difficult to understand where the laser is used. So probably that is medical field.
Yes, sir, it is medical field.
Yeah, but then you can go for better picture, like yesterday I think एक आई सर्जरी का पिक्चर किसी ने दिखाया था. Was that?
Surbi Ambani.
Okay. सुरभि. So that picture shows okay ये मेडिकल में यूज होता है. Immediately it comes. ठीक है. This looks like that doctor is maybe somebody else is talking to that lady. That's it. तो वो क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है. ठीक है. सेकंडली दैट इज ओके मेडिकल किट दिखाया वहां पे some kind of laser, but I don't understand the third picture. It is something like laser show.
Yes, means it's like a concert, and at the background there that laser lights just move.
Huh. You can just write a text laser show. That is good enough.
Okay, sir.
No, no, you don't have any competition with anyone else. See,
Okay.
your competition, Anukul is saying it was better than mine, but I say no, no. As a teacher, I will say your presentation should be much better than your presentation yesterday. There is no competition with any other. So you can pick good points from other presentations. Pick, copy. Okay. That is how we develop. That is how we develop. You have almost 3 years ahead to go for better presentations. But nobody will tell you in that much detail. I can assure you. लोग बोलेंगे हाँ ठीक है प्रेजेंटेशन ठीक था अच्छा था बुरा था that's it. Why it was good, why it was bad, so I'm sorry, I have habit of answering a why question or asking why question.
Yes. Okay, sir.
तो आप सोचो उसके बारे में. ठीक है.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Who is next? नेक्स्ट कौन है? 11 के बाद 16. Disha is, I think she is already ready with her presentation also.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Yeah. Do you want a break of 5 minutes?
After I present then. One minute.
Yeah, go ahead. No problem.
Sir, I hope my presentation is visible.
Yeah, now it is visible.
Good morning, everyone. I am Disha Goswami and I am here to tell you something about applications of laser in medical science. First of all, I will introduce you about the what is laser. Laser is an acronym for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. It is a device that produces monochromatic light that is single wavelength and frequency coherent light that is constant phase and having high intensity, with unidirectional light which is highly polarized that is having same state of polarization. Although the first laser was invented by A.L. Schwallow and C.H. Stones in 1958, while the concept of stimulated emission was first predicted by Albert Einstein in 1917. Although we all know that lasers has great applications in every field, but the medical field remains the biggest beneficiary of this enormous optical energy and unique characteristics. Now I will tell you the types of lasers used in the medical field. Different types of lasers have different signal limits in medical practices. Let's see some of them important lasers that are generally used in medical fields, and that includes first one is carbon dioxide laser. It creates a beam of infrared light in which the main wavelength focuses on the band 9.4 and 10.6 micrometers. The CO2 laser is the highest power continuous wave laser that is currently available. Second one is the diode laser. Here it is also mentioned in the picture, first picture, and it is used in various important medical applications such as diagnostics, surgical treatments, and photodynamic therapy. Photodynamic therapy is the eye therapy or skin therapy. Diode laser technologies provide many advantages. They reduce blood while operating, eliminate pain, and minimize swelling. And it is also used in cancer cells and coagulate blood vessels. Third one is the dye lasers. They are lasers in which organic dyes are used as the lashing medium, generally as a liquid solution, compared to solid state and gaseous lasers. A dye laser can typically be used for a wider range of wavelengths, often extending from 50 to 100 nanometer or more. It is used in diagnostics, urology, and laser angioplasty. Fourth one is the solid state laser. As this laser is in our portion also, we have studied that this is a normal laser in which there are two components, optics and electronics, which are integrated into a single box. A cavity featuring the spherical mirror at each end is filled with a crystal medium, which then focuses the injection light into a high intensity beam. Last one is the gas laser. It uses a mixture of gases contained inside a small chamber. After applying the voltage in the chamber from the outer source, atoms or molecules in the gases are stimulated and excited and produce light in the process. In this way, I have completed the types of laser used in medical field. Now I tell you the uses of laser in the medical field. It can be said, first one is the treatment of eye diseases. Um, Lasers prominently have great applications in ophthalmology, that is the branch of medicine and surgery that deals with diagnosis and treatment of disorders in an eye. Or as development of laser science overcome a large number of eye diseases which infects the eye membrane, which was seen in past as intractable diseases and having no treatment. Among the most prominent eye diseases that are treated with laser radiation include treatment of high blood pressure, laser beams treat retinal ruptures, and treatment of different vision defects that are included in the cosmetic operations and known as the name correction processes. Also, it eliminates tumors within the eye. Second is uses in cosmetic medicines. Most of the centers and clinics in the field of plastic surgery have become a medical center specializing in cosmetic and laser operations. Lasers have become a safe and effective alternative to the greater proportion of conventional surgical procedures. Uses of lasers in this field includes laser facial surgery, nose surgery, and abdominoplasty, treatment of laser hair loss, and also facial hair removal and various different laser body areas. Third is uses of laser in the treatment of dental problems. Laser has been commonly used in the past few years in the treatment of diseases of teeth and gums. Photovoltaic energy is one of the cutting tools or solvent. Scientists then saw that lasers may be an ideal tool for treating many of the problems of healthy teeth. The practical experience has proven to be true. The most prominent cases of laser therapy are a laser beam is used to remove benign and malignant tumors in the oral environment, treatment of dental pigmentation due to the effectiveness of the laser in teeth whitening and restore the brightness of the surface. In addition to this, they are also used in the minor surgeries where the surgical incision and the clotting of bleeding blood vessels are performed, and also the laser cannot apply to the where the laser cannot apply to the teeth completely moist and not applied to teeth that contain old fillings. Last one is in the treatment of skin diseases. Dermatologists, that is skin specialists, are among the most advantageous to the development of laser science and its applications in the medical field. For the most prominent skin problems that are overcome depending on the photovoltaic energy and heat generated by the laser beam includes laser technology is used to remove dark circles, all kinds of facial blisters, birthmarks, and some scars on the face. A laser is also used in the treatment of many scalp diseases such as alopecia and so on. Laser applications in the treatment of skin health problems are extremely versatile. The laser beam can be used to remove wrinkles also and restore skin smoothness by stimulating the skin to produce natural collagen. At last, I need to conclude my presentation by saying that using the properties of this unique energy, that is laser, in various medical uses, we can say that future of medical fields has become closely linked to the future of laser science. In this way, I have completed my presentation. Thank you for listening.
Okay, go ahead with the comments.
Sir, I want to confess something.
Yeah.
Sir, that I am suffering from severe throat pain, so I'm not able to voice properly and explain properly.
No, no, no. You are explained very nicely. Who says you are not explained? You are explained very nicely, but my comments are not for your explanation. But before I comment something, it's open to all. Go ahead. अरे no comment? It seems you are not listening properly then. Yeah, Shraddha, go ahead. You don't need to raise hand. You can just speak out.
Because she has explained everything means nicely that everyone could understand the image and what is given and how it works and means the object is how is working process. She explained very nicely.
Good. Any other?
The presentation was very informative, sir, but I think it's little bit long, lengthy.
Okay. Why you feel that it was lengthy? That I am going to share one presentation which you will not feel lengthy. Okay. Why you feel lengthy?
सर ये एक ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी बन चुकी है कि जब तक इमेजेस दिखते हैं तब तक बोर नहीं लगता, मतलब प्लेन ही नहीं लगता। लाइक
Your voice is breaking. But he has pinpointed, Adesh has pinpointed कि you should show the images. For example, Disha was talking about eye surgery, but there was only one image. When she talked about the skin treatment, there was the same image. So if you could have added more images, like separate image for eye surgery and separate image for something else, okay, so that will make the people bind with your presentation. So that is the reason why I go from say Microsoft Whiteboard to sometimes GeoGebra. Sometimes I show you the images on the internet. वो तो मैं डाउनलोड करके भी आपको दिखा सकता हूँ ना. No, I show it. Okay, ये अवेलेबल है इसमें. You can see it. Okay. So that is how you should keep people bound. Okay. In this image also, no, go back. Types of laser. So you showed three images, and there are 5 types of laser that we are discussing. Now we don't know which one is which. Okay. So carbon dioxide laser, okay, you can't show because it is infrared. That's okay. Diode laser, yes, the first slide is diode laser. Now we are not sure about the below 2, whether the left hand side is solid state or dye laser, and right hand side is solid state or gas laser. So that was a confusion. Okay. So rather than taking so many things, you can take only one thing. Okay, I am going to talk about the say for example the application of laser in ophthalmology. What is called eye surgery. Okay, so how it works in eye surgery, that is okay. You don't need to go for so many applications. You can say that there are so many applications like this and this and this and this, but I will focus on this. That's it. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So I will share the link of Steve Jobs presentation with you. Go and watch this presentation right now. Okay, and then I will open the forum for this presentation. Should I post in forum itself?
No, sir.
On Telegram?
Yes, sir, Telegram.
Yeah, okay. So I'll just post it on Telegram. So